Your mom said.
Alam mo, thank God I'm not emotional today. I'm so happy because of like good news that I received today. So even my mom can't spoil my mood. So I think I've gotten used to it na. And para sa akin, best to just smile it off and ignore it. But there are just some days kasi na medyo sensitive ako. Kaya naiiyak ako. Pero napansin nyo, hindi naman ako umiyak ngayon. So, dinedma ko lang siya. It's just an outburst on her end.
Pero ano ba ito? Nagkabati kayo mag-asal ni Elvis?
Nagkabati kami, but hindi pa kami BFFs. So,
Okay, paano nangyari yung pagkakabati niyo?
wala. You know, because it was a joyous occasion and si Elvis naman, yung brother ko na ikinakasal, sabi niya magbati na kayo, alang-alang sa akin. So, good mood si mommy. Tinanggap naman niya yung yakap ko at nung halik ko. So, that was it. Hindi na kami masyado nag-usap pa after that. Pero, hindi pa rin kami nagtatawagan 10 times a day. Medyo once every 2 days, nagtatawagan na kami. So, that's a good start. But one thing kasi na sinabi sa akin ng friend ko who was in an accident lately, sinabi niya sa akin na, you know, Rufa, life is short. So, if I were you, make amends na with your mom. So that day, ako na mismong tumawag sa kanya at sinabi ko, "Hi, Ma." Hindi naman kasi kami masyadong showy na, "Mom, I love you, you're my everything." You know, it's more of just making the first move and saying hi to her and calling her and kissing her. Pinapakita ko lang na bilang anak, kahit na mataray siya or ganun siya, you know, I'm still her daughter, so I still have to respect her.
Baby steps, kumbaga.
Baby steps, yes.
Sa press con kasi ng Big Steps, ang sabi niya na nagkabati nga kayo, pero sabi niya hindi daw parang pilit or hindi pa daw ganun ka.
Para sa kanya, siguro pilit, kasi siguro yung mga gusto niyang gawin ko, hindi ko pa magagawa. And that's it. But siguro at this point, I would like to have that respect between us, the relationship between us. But at the end, gusto kong makapag-decide pa rin ako on my own.
So, meaning to say, hindi mo kayang pagbigyan yung hinihingi niya. Ayaw niya mo. Or stay away from that guy.
Hindi. Kung yun ang opinion niya, respetuhin ko yon. But at the same time, dapat respetuhin din niya yung opinion ko.
Okay,
So,
so ipaglalaban mo, what is, kung ano yung
Hindi
gusto
naman sa
mo.
pinaglalaban. Siguro I'll just continue living my life the way it is. Hindi naman sa may paglalaban ako na magpapakasal ako or magkakaroon ako ng anak or magtatanan kami. Hindi na uso yung ganon, di ba? I'm just working and I'm doing everything that is expected of me as a professional. And siguro for my mom, makikita naman niya in the end that mali yung iniisip niya.
Pero yung sa personal life mo, how can you be happy with a man who from the beginning, wala siyang in-approve kahit isa?
Eh, I'm used to it na eh.
So lifetime problem.
I'm just so happy that even if it's been a lifetime crisis for me since I was a teenager, I'm just so happy for those that stayed. You know, so and for those that ran away, okay lang. That means they weren't meant to be.
She uses strong words in public. I mean, kahit yung ginamit yung word na letter B, they get hurt in public.
Ako, I don't get hurt na because sanay na ako, but I get hurt for the people that she's talking about. Dahil syempre hindi naman sila sanay, di ba? Ako okay lang kasi nanay ko naman siya. But para sa iba, medyo nasasaktan ako.
Rupa, yung mga
Parang medyo pag-uwi na parang ganun yung nangyayari. Cycle.
Oo nga eh, kailan kayo magbabago? Bigyan ko kaya siya ng ano? Ano kaya?
Rupa, yung mga ginagawa at sinasabi ba sa'yo ng mami mo, gagawin mo sa mga anak mo?
Ay hindi, iba naman ako. I'm a cool mom.
Even when it comes to men,
I know, maliliit pa sila. But siguro, ang gusto ko lang sabihin sa mga anak ko is that, you know, for me, I've made a lot of mistakes in my life and I'm not perfect. But then again, I'm a survivor. And the most encouraging thing that I can share with my kids is no matter what happened, you know, I'm here and I'm taking care of them. Na never rely on a man for your financial needs, you know. Importante pa rin talaga na magtrabaho ka and to be a leader and to be self-supporting. Kasi in that way, hindi ka pwedeng baliwalain ng mahal mo sa buhay kasi may sarili kang trabaho. Hindi ka lang umaasa sa kanya.
Yun nga maganda yung sinabi mo kanina, yung fears mo. Hindi ka natatakot lang kumain at tinatakot mo paano mo mabubuhay yung kids mo.
Yeah, syempre it's a fear, I guess, for all mothers nga, you know, who have a husband. That's a natural fear. What more kaya if you're alone, di ba? Yes, I do have someone that makes me happy, pero hindi naman siya nag-aalaga sa mga anak ko. So, I still have to take care of my kids and provide for them. So, at the end of the day, yun yung fear ko, diba? Na gusto ko silang bigyan ng isang magandang buhay habang buhay.
So, you don't depend on naman para i-feed?
No, I have Cosmo Skin, I have my other endorsements. So, I'm just so happy at nagpapasalamat ako that I've been in this business since I was 13 years old, more than 20 years, and yet, you know, I'm still around. I still have 2 shows. I can be seen all over Asia. I have a lot of endorsements. Avon also just renewed me. So, I'm so happy na ang daming blessings na dumadating. So, for me, if you just get rid of all the negativity and you just embrace all the positivity, good things will come.